Are you a medical professional desiring financial freedom and a better quality of life? Are you looking to transition from your current high-stakes, high-stress career into one that gives you explosive, limitless revenue? The promising field of aesthetics, anti-aging, and pain management is just what you're looking for, and Empire Medical Training can help you achieve your goals on your time. Empire Medical Training is the premier education hub for physicians, nurses, dental, and other medical professionals wishing to jumpstart a fulfilling career in a rapidly growing industry. With engaging, extensive workshops in aesthetic procedures and anti-aging techniques, as well as a comprehensive pain management program, you will be fully equipped to flourish in your new exciting career. Build your own practice from the ground up. At Empire, we boast a faculty of board-certified renowned physicians with celebrity status in their chosen field, as well as experienced practice-owning industry experts. This team will help you achieve your dream in no time. Empire Medical Training is an international community with both in-person and virtual options, so you can train for a new career from anywhere in the world. Empire hosts a varied roster of in-person classes across 62 cities, with hands-on instruction and small class sizes catered to individualized learning. Don't feel like leaving your home? Our robust online education program gives you access to interactive live-streamed courses, a Netflix-style library of instructional videos, and comprehensive course materials, all accessible with our Empire Virtual Membership Program. What are you waiting for? Join our community today. Visit EmpireMedicalTraining.com or call 844-565-3131.